Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So this is my second video on fundamental analysis. So today I'm going to cover two topics. One is shareholders and another one is profit and loss statement. The shareholder means I already told you it will have promoters and institutional investors and retail investor like you and me. So what is the percentage it should have? The promoter should have at least 75%, but it will not be there. So at least they should have hold more than 40%. And other institutional investors should have also invested. So when the institutional investors are investing, they will invest in a crores. So when they are investing in crores, they will study everything. They will do fundamental and technical analysis. So it is better if you don't know anything, just follow these institutional. If they are invested, then you can also you can also take the shares and all. Otherwise, avoid those company where the institutional investors are not there and the promoters are also not there. Otherwise, the promoters are less than 40%. Then you can avoid those companies. And here you can see what is the small cap, mid cap, large cap. The company total worth, that means if you want to sell, if you want to buy any company, then you can buy within a 5,000 crore, then it will come under a small cap. It is means total worth of that company. If it is in between 1 to 5,000 crore, then it will be called as a small cap. And 5,000 to 20,000 crores, then we will call as a mid cap. And this one more than 20,000 crore, we will call as a large cap. So it is better to invest in mid cap or large cap. If in small cap there is a chance of uh, manipulation of the stock price and all. So what it will be there at last in the end of this video, I will tell you that and all. Okay. So you can see here this in live you will see. Okay. This here you can see which company it is. So we are seeing a KPR Mill Limited. This is a textile company. So you can see here the number of shares are 34.18 crore. Okay, and the market price is this much. The current market price is this much. And number of shares, as I already told you, it is a permanent. It is not going to change. So one share price is 568, and what will be the cost of this all shares? So when we calculate this two, means number of shares into current market price, you will get the total worth of company. So that will call as a market cap. This is the worth of this company. So if you have 20,000 crore, so you can buy this KPR Mill Limited company. Okay, this is the market cap, and when it is coming under 20,000, we'll call it as a mid cap like that. Okay, and here we'll go for shareholding pattern. You can see here promoter is holding 74.78. This is a good sign, and DA also holding some percentage, and FI also holding some percentage. For public, it is only 8.27 percentage. If this is the shareholding pattern, then you can buy easily. If there are no DI and no FI and even promoters are less than 40%, then avoid those such kind of company. You already invested, then you can search you can see your shareholder patterns, and if it is there are no DI FI, then please avoid such kind of company. Okay, and here you can see here the promoter and pledge. This promoter is holding 74.78 in December, so it was only 74.72. So here you can see in the no in the 2021 December it was 74.72. In December 2022 they raised again, means the promoter has brought the shares. So means they have purchased their own shares again, means they have their own confidence. So if it is increased, then it is a good sign. And pledge means, so if you have a shares of any company, then you can take a loan on that loan by keeping shares in any bank. So here there is no loan on this sharehold, this what is that, uh, the shareholding percentage. They are not at all take any loan on this. And if it is, if they have 74.78 and they have kept 70% on bank and they took a loan on that, and that will be the bad sign. So please observe this one also. The promoter should be high and there should be no pledge and all. Okay, so we'll go for next profit and loss statement. So what it will be there, profit and loss statement. This is the profit and loss statement. So here you can see net sell. So what is the net sell means, for example, you you are selling a t-shirt, and thousand of t-shirts you are selling per day, and the one t-shirt worth is of 100, means you are earning 1 lakh rupees per day. So yearly how much it will be? 365 lakh, around 3.65 crores like that. So whatever you are earning yearly, that we call as a net sell. So on earning they are getting 2500 crores in 2018, 2019 it has increased, 20 it has increased. So in March it has doubled around 3000 to 4000 like that. So this should be the net sell should be. So year by year it is increasing. This is a good sign. Okay. And what is this total expenditure? This expenditure will includes the raw material and import export, that cost of import export and the employee cost. This will include these things. So we have to minus this one in net sell. If you minus this total expenditure, then we'll get a operating profit. So this is the operating profit, what it is there. So in 2022 it is 983.9 crore. Okay. So this is also every year it is increasing. Okay. Then other income. So in other incomes, what it will be there means, other than selling the, if you are selling a t-shirt, manufacturing a t-shirt and selling t-shirt, so other than manufacturing and selling the t-shirt, you are getting the amount from other things. For example, here I can tell you, so you have a 10 vehicles, those 10 vehicles you are using to bring a raw material. Here the, if you are having textile, your raw material may be cotton. To bring cotton, you are using your 5 vehicles. So monthly once you are bringing the raw material. So one day that vehicle will be used to bring the raw material. So other, in month other 28 29 days, what it will be there. So for other 28 days you are using that vehicle for other import and export. So whatever that income is coming from that vehicles, that will consider the other income. Because, okay, so this also it is increasing. This is also a good sign. Okay. So interest means if you have got any loan and you have to pay the interest on that, so this will be there. It should be less. So year by year it is decreasing. This is a good sign. And depreciation for any machines, every year we need to spend some, uh, what is that, maintenance and all. So this is called a depreciation. And exceptional item, if anything happen, so if any loss to the company or if any fire something has happened, so there is a loss to the company. So nothing has happened to here. And profit before the tax, this is profit before the tax. What it will be there, profit before the tax, this operating profit plus other income minus this will be interest, depreciation, exceptional item. So if you do these things, then you will get a profit before tax, and we need to pay tax for that. So after tax, what will be the net profit? So this is the net profit. You can see here every year it is increasing, net profit is increasing. This is the standard, this should be there. So if you're investing, you can observe year by year it is increasing or not. And this is the EPS. EPS means earning per share. So if you have one share, then what will be your earning? You can see here, if you invested in 2028 Jan, so otherwise, okay, invested in 2007 2018. Okay, in 2019 what is the EPS? 7.97. So it means if you bought one share and you have got profit of 7.97 per share. For example, if you have 1000 shares, in the end of the year you could have got 8000 profit. So like that. So in 2022, if you invested in 2021, in 2020 EPS is 21.24 per share, you are earning 21.24 rupees. So if you have brought 1000 shares of that company, means you will have 20,000 extra. So per share you are getting 20, means so 21,000 will be the profit at the end of year. Okay. So this EPS should also, you can see if it is increasing every year, that is a good sign. Okay. This is the profit and loss statement and shareholding also there. And why it is important, if you see any companies it will have like that only, then we'll get a confused where to invest, where not to do. If you see any mid cap company or large cap company, you will see like that only. So everything will be in this way only, and it is somewhat difficult to uh, take decision whether to invest or not like that. But what is the use, I will tell you. So this is also textile company, and we'll go for other textile company. This is a Adina Textile Limited. You can see here in July 2021, okay, in July something, in June it was 4 rupees, okay, and within 2 3 months in September, In September it went to 100 rupees. Okay, so from 5 rupees to it went to 100 rupees within a 2 to 3 months. Okay, so when we see this one, and this you can see here. Okay, okay, just see here, from 5 to it went to 100 rupees. So if you invested here any 1000, so it will be around 1 lakh here. So if anyone invested here, so they will lose everything. So because every week it is decreasing. If you invested here 1 lakh, within 1 week it went to 20 points down, means within 1 week you will lose 20,000, and next week also it will lose 20,000. So within a span of month you will lose from 1 lakh to you will remain with 25,000 value. Okay, what it happened, like again rise and come. So is it correct or not? So if anyone is depend on technical analysis, what they will do, they will see the pattern and all, they will try to invest, and they will be in the huge loss because they don't know fundamental analysis, what is happening, why it is rising and why it is coming down, we don't know. So you'll see here. So Adinath Textile. Okay, first we'll go for, okay, here you can see number of shares is 0.50 crore and it is worth of 12.94. Okay, if you multiply number of shares with the current market price 25.80, then you will get this one. So it is 12.94 crore. So it will come under small cap. So as I already told you, small cap, if you are investing in small cap, somewhat risky. Okay, it will go sudden up, sudden down. Why it will happen means the investors are doing manipulation, they are doing. There is no such profit or loss. Okay, we can see here shareholders. Okay, shareholders also. There is no DII, only 0.01%. FI also not invested, and promoters also, okay, around 43%. But there is no DI and FI, so you can avoid this kind of company. They have given 56% for to public only, and for the public they have to give only 5 to 10 to 20% maximum. But here they have given more than 56%. You should avoid this such kind of company. Okay, and you can see profit and loss. You can see here 1.2 crore profit they have made in 2018. In 2019 it is decreased 0.74, 20 0.14. In 2021 they have not at all sold even one product. If it is this is also a textile company, if it is a manufacturing a sari and all, they have not at all sold even one sari also. There is no sale at all. Okay, but here they are showing it is rising day by day. Okay, this is the result of March 2021. Okay, and you can see here, if you go through the monthly chart you will come to know. So March it was 4 rupees, so that time it came the result here. So in the March there is no sell at all, there is no profit of the company, nothing is there in that company, but still it has raised from 2 rupees to 100 rupees. So please avoid such kind of things. So you will come to know only with the this profit and loss statement and shareholding pattern. Yeah. So next I will cover the other whatever is the balance sheet and all. Okay. Thank you friends.